After some rainy days, winter finally arrived at our little farm in the mountains. It's time to keep everyone warm and cozy. So today I want to share with you how to paint fire in watercolor. Let's get started. I am going to prepare first some yellow color. This approach, I actually call it water puddle technique. It is essentially wet in wet, and my approach is simply make a big water puddle in the shape of my subjects, and then drop in more colors to let the pigments play with each other and make magic on their own. So here is my water puddle in the big shape of the fire, and I use a light yellow. And notice the water is beating up at the bottom of the fire shape. You see that? And that's an indicator of how much water I have is enough. If there's no water beating up, then it means there's not enough water, and my paper will dry up quickly, and I can't let my future layers to play. So that's very essential. And now with my big water puddle, I am coming in with my second layer, and it is in orange color. So basically I am mimicking the mid-tone of this fire. And I also want you to notice how I use my brush. It's like I am twisting the brush, laying it down and lift it up. So it's like a dance. And this demonstration is actually part of a workshop, a Zoom workshop I taught earlier. It's about how to use your brush most efficiently and unleash all its brilliance. So if you are interested in watching the entire workshop, I will have a link in the description box below. Now I have my mid-tone in place. I am ready to come in with the third layer, which is the dark tone of the fire. So I mixed violet with burnt umber, and they give me darker color. And I also dried my brush, so there's a little water on it, so the pigment will stay more concentrated on the paper. And I am really selective with how much darkness I want to put in my fire, because fire is bright. It's not also dark, but it needs some darkness to give the right contrast. And at this point, I feel like I have a fire that is burning. So I'm happy with it, and I don't have to go on too much. And here I just soften some edges so it doesn't feel so rigid. It's more alive. So here it is, a little fire. I hope you enjoyed, and happy painting.